Hi, well today my GHD's broke and I don't get paid for another 3 days, so I was like, oh my god, I can't survive without straighteners. It's kind of straight right now, but not really. Like, this is like serious hair. This is like afro when it's washed. It's really bad and I needed straighteners ASAP. So I went on Amazon and I've already opened them because I had to have a look. But I got these and they were originally £90 or £80, I can't remember, down to £30, which is really good. So box, and then when you open that up you get this little bag which the straighteners come in. I'm not sure if it's heat proof because that would be handy. Oh, there's instructions, I didn't even see that. Instruction manual and some bubbles. I mean, just getting straight on with it because I have to do the school run and I can't walk around looking like that. So I've plugged them in, turned them on. You get an option that says it says 40. I don't want 40. Alright, so I'm going up as high as I can, which is 230. So I'm gonna go there. What's it doing? Oh, and it's counting upwards. That is so cool. So you can actually see what temperature it's on. That's a much better idea. I like that. So it won't take long to heat up then. I use this, it's really good. Definitely if you've got crazy hair, I'm going to show you how crazy my hair is, like it's bad. But it's sleek serum, lose my voice, it's sleek serum which is really, keeps it really sleek as if it was like that when you washed it. So doing the back, because that just looks crazy. I'm just going over. Cool. And it is really good, to be fair. I've done that in what, like 2 minutes? Just gonna go wallop bang over this side because I don't have time. That is a lot of hair. Like, I can't express to you how much hair that actually is. It doesn't look a lot, but honestly, when I get my hair coloured, they have to like stick 2 pots worth. And people with like really long hair don't even have 2 pots worth. So, it goes to show you. That is really... I'm not happy with the ends, wait. Okay, that was my fault. That is brilliant. That is like sleek, straight hair. That is amazing for the price, really. I did a school run with straight hair. Finished after minutes. And honestly, my hair might have already looked kind of straight, but it's like really, really thick and hard to like pat down. Thank you for watching. If you've run out of money or you don't get paid for a while, pick up these in Amazon. Honestly, the best ones I've ever bought that are not GHDs. And that's from someone that's used hair straighteners every single day since they was about 13, which was 15 years ago, I think. No, 14 years ago. That's a long time.